Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s, and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down and find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on accounts, and as you can see here, we've got previously added Google account. So now let me show you how to remove it. Just tap on it, and here let's tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears from our list, so it means that we successfully removed it. Now in order to add new one, simply tap on add account, choose Google, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually, that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.